Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another Saturday and we're out here doing something, I'm not catching Pokemons and I'm not geocaching, but we came out here to Denver International Airport and I'm gonna attempt to film some planes coming into Denver International and see what I can get. So yesterday we got about, I don't know, 3-4 inches of snow. So everything is so bright. Sun is out, very difficult to see in my camera what I want to film, but I'll give it a fair shot and see what comes out of it. So yeah, and Denver International is actually very famous for being kind of unfriendly to people who like to watch airplanes and film them and photograph them because there's no easy access to the runways. So today we have southern winds coming in, so all the airplanes are landing on runways 16 left, 16 right, 17 left, 17 right. So they're landing against the wind towards the south. So this particular place here, I'm on 120th Avenue. It's not the best one. There are actually very few places where you can do something like that. And this one is being not my favorite. If the wind would come from north, we would be on the other side and looking on arrivals to 35 right and 35 left. That is a much better spot, but unfortunately today that's not the case. So everybody's landing north unless wind will shift, and then they will start arrivals towards the north. So yeah, we'll see what I can get. Like I said, super difficult conditions, just because I cannot zoom in. I cannot see. It's so bright that I cannot see what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm filming this with my Canon camera because I can zoom in with this one. So I'm just gonna be hanging out here for a little bit, and see if I can actually get some planes or not. This may be a short video, or maybe it's not gonna be anything because I'm simply not gonna be able to do the filming like I want to. But yeah, a day is nice, sun is out, and let's see what we can get. So this is a CRJ plane coming in from Salt Lake City, CRJ 200. Coming in from Salt Lake City. Small plane. So this is Southwest. Don't know where it came in from. Didn't have time to look at it. But he's landing on 16 right. So it's the closest to me runway. And that is a Boeing 737. Very difficult to film. Extremely difficult. I cannot see. The glare is just unbelievable. Sorry about that. I can't even see if it's in focus or not. So while we're waiting for the next plane to come in, which is gonna be Delta flight, Embraer 175 from Seattle. Don't know on which runway it's gonna land. Let's just look around and see. Like, this is my scenery, what I'm looking at right now. Pretty mountains. Yep, it was a snowy night last night. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at. And earlier on that tree was the hawk, what we saw a week ago. But here's a Delta plane coming in. So Delta Embraer 175 from Seattle. That is a Frontier flight. Not sure where that came in from. And actually, there were breaking news last week that Frontier is gonna merge with Spirit Airlines. I cannot believe how difficult it is to just film the planes, you know. This sun, I gotta remember that when it's a sunny day, I just can't come out here, you know, because of the glare. Because I cannot focus on the planes, you know, I cannot see them in the screen. So yeah, it's gotta be a cloudy day with sun, you know, obstructed by clouds. And then I could do it, but not today. I mean, it's yeah, it's ridiculous. Man, oh, look at all this clay down here too, getting all on my shoes. Fun stuff. And it looks like there's nothing much going on too. It's a midday, and like for those who know how this airline business actually works, the busiest times at the airports are mornings and evenings. But right now at the moment, not in Denver, you know, it's very slow. Very few planes coming in, so we gotta wait for a little bit more. But I'm not gonna be here for too long, just because of the reasons I just told you. There is a plane coming in, so let's see if I can get that guy. This is just a live view, and I'm just gonna try to show you. Kind of like I said, I cannot see a damn thing. I don't even see where the plane is at. Not on my screen. But I'm just filming anyways, so I have no clue. Let me zoom in a little bit. And my only marker kind of like is this sign, and I know that the plane now is behind the sign. Okay, hardly I can see anything. I don't know where it's at. Not the slightest clue. Yeah. Look, everything is blurry. I don't know where it's at. So anyways, that is how hard it is just to film anything. So just knowing that, I am, oh, see, now I'm even zoomed in, man. What a cluster. This is not easy. This is not easy. But yeah, it seems like I'm just bitching today, which I am. But yeah, I don't know. I should probably wrap it all up and just go and make this one a very short one. Few planes here and there. I tried. Didn't work out the way I was planning to. The only other thing I could do is like Maybe if I'm going a little bit up that way and there's like a silo or whatever, I know the place. If I can pull in there and then see from the other side, like looking on the plains that direction, maybe that will help a little bit, but I highly doubt it. Yep, so I'm wrapping up here and I'm going there and then we'll see. Okay, so there's supposed to be 757 coming in from New Jersey. I don't know with this plane, what is coming in right now is the one. And again, I cannot see anything. Man, this is frustrating. Okay, there it is. That was pretty cool, actually. I hope, oh, there it is. Southwest. So here's Delta. Another Southwest. Extremely difficult to film. Yeah, here was another like a CRJ. I just couldn't get it when it was flying right over my head. Super challenging. That is American. If we see anything, if you can spot anything, and this is CRJ 700 from Los Angeles. I cannot see a damn thing. Okay, there it is. So CRJ 700 from Los Angeles. So this next one is 737-900 MAX from Boston. So these are the planes which had a couple accidents and they got grounded for a while, but they're back up and running. So I'm just kind of waiting till I spot the plane. You should start seeing it soon. He's gonna fly right over my head. Let's see where it's at. Okay, there it is. 737-900 MAX. From Boston. Oh, I can feel the vortexes coming down. That was a United plane. Pretty cool. Okay, this next one is Delta 757 from JFK, New York. 757 Delta from JFK, New York. That was probably about 3.5 to 4 hour flight. There it is, landing from New York, Delta 757-200. So much easier to film this, what it appears to be a little meadowlark, than these guys. Was that American? Couldn't guess it is. That was American. Wow. All right. I think I'm done here today. It's getting windy and it's cold. All right, guys. That's gonna be it for today. I'm getting cold. There's another plane coming down. Let's see what that is. Looks like it is a CRJ, like maybe 200, don't know, can't tell the airline. But anyways, so yeah, it's getting cold and it's very, very difficult. Again, can't stress enough how difficult it is with the full sun out. And but the glare is just incredible. Cannot see anything in the screen, you know, and camera has a very difficult time focusing too. It like kind of zooms in and out, in and out. There's not enough contrast. So yeah, it's extremely difficult to film. But I tried, you know. Arvid, nu, mēģināju es tev kaut ko nofilmēt, kā Denvera lidmašīnas laižas zemē. Bet, nu, ļoti grūti filmēt, tāpēc, ka saule ir ārā un baigi atspīd tādā ekrānā iekšā kamerā. Es nevaru redzēt, ko es daru vispārībā. Bet, nu, jādomā, ka kaut kas tomēr sanācis būs. Nu, skaties, ceru, ka tev patiks. Okay, guys, that was a little bit in Latvian for my brother-in-law back in Latvia, because he's like an airplane enthusiast. He really likes the planes and everything about it, and that was the main reason why I actually tried to make this video. So I will try when there's a day, a weekend, and when the planes land 3-5, so towards north, I will come to a way better, I will go to a way better place where I can shoot those planes. It's gonna be much closer. There's a stable ground, you know, nice, kind of like a turnaround cul-de-sac where I can just park my truck and film and hopefully that's going to be way better. So with that being said, thank you again for watching, and see you next time somewhere at some other place at some other time. Thank you. Bye. Ciao. Okay, this one is filmed with a GoPro. Just see where the plane will come in. We'll see what kind of difference my Canon makes and then versus the GoPro. I just thought it would be kind of cool to compare. But this is the GoPro. Here's United Airbus 320. Okay, and now a little bit in Latvian for my brother-in-law. So, yeah, čau, Arvid, vēl vienreiz. Jā, uztaisīju tev speciāli šito video. Nezinu, kā man te sanācis būs, kā nē. Bet, ir grūti filmēt. Saule spīd acīs, ekrāna neko neredz. Un reku nāk, tas ir United. Tas ir kaut kas lielāks. Man ritīgi nevarēja pateikt, kas tam pa lidmašīnu. Varētu būt, ka 737, 900. Bet, tā. Un ir diezgan vēss, arī stiegs uzkrīt pagājuši nakti. Bet, jā, gribējos tev uzfilmēt kaut ko, lai tu paskatās lidmašīnas, ka nāk Denvera zemē. Denverā pavisam ir tā 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, man liekas, ka bija 6 skrejceļi. Un šitie šodien vējš pūš no dienvidiem un viņi laižas zemē pret vēju. Un šī nav pat labākā vieta Denverā, kur var vispār, bet Denverai grūti fotografēt un filmēt. Bet šī nav tā labākā vieta, ja viņi laisties uz ziemeļiem, ja pūs ziemeļvējš, tā būtu daudz labāk. Es kādreiz paskatīsies tā, ka būs varbūt vasarā, jebkād, ka vējš nāks no ziemeļiem. Tad es aizbrauks, rekā vorteks iet, paskaties. Ot šitais viss no lidmašīnām, no spārniem vorteks aiziet. Ot, un ja šita rekuja no viena spārna, un rekuja no otra spārna. Ot šitā, un ja te ierauj iekšā cits lidmašīnas, viņi var apmest viņas riņķi, ja mazāks lidmašīnas ir. Otās. Un reku nāk akal. Šis ir kaut kas mazāks, šī maz lidmašīniņa. Arī United, kaut kas Skywest, kas 200, CRJ 200. Šitais laižas zemē uz 1.6, vai šis, kas pārgāja uz 1.6, pa kreisais skrejceļš. Tā lidmašīna reku, kas iet, nāk zemē tur, tā iet uz 1.6 labo. Labā pusē, viņi blakam viens otram. Es atkal dzirdu tos vorteks, ka iet. Un šitais nāk, tas ir Airbus, arī United. Bet tā, es teicu, ka es saku, balvoži reku lido. Man jau baigi balvoši patīk. Atceros, kā tēvu turēja kādreiz, kā bija masas. Kā viņi te plivinas. Bet reku nāk vēl viens zeme. Bet ja Denverā, ja viņi laižas uz ziemeļiem, tā es varu ritīgi tūl tikt klāt, un tā es kādreiz aizbrauks un pafilmēs. Bet tā lielākā problēma ir, kad tā saule spīd, šausmīgi atspīd, un ir ļoti grūti kaut ko redzēt. Šis arī ir Airbus Naide. Šis ir maziņš, šis ir 319, visticamāk. Viens no tiem mazākiem Airbusiem. Valoži lido te bariem. Bet, nu tā, Arvid, tas ar to ar izteikciju viss jālaiž mājās. Paliek augsts, man vajag kājas sāk salt. Bet, nu, atbrauc ar savu darbu mašīnu, reku. Bet, nu, tā te izskatās. Valoži lido, viss notiekas. Lidmašīnas nāk zemes, sniegs vakar uzkrit. Prom tāni virzienā tur ir Denver. Te otrā puse, ziemeļa puse lidostai. Nu tā. Labi, davai, tā. Labi skatīšanas un tā jau gan jau vakal. Labi, čau.